Welcome to Painting by Anam YouTube channel.
Today we are present with a new art.
Things you need:
Cardboard.
scissors, cut in this way. White paper, stick with the help of tape or glue. Apply glue well. Like this. Stick like this. Stick with the help of tape. Like this. It's ready. Please like and share. Purple color, pink color, black color, black sketch. Let it dry. If you have not subscribed YouTube channel, subscribe now.
If you like this video, like the video, share, comments and subscribe the channel as well as press the bell icon so that the next video notification can reach you.
Like this. Please like and share.